Good morning, Weight Loss Force. So we're out here. We're not running the marathon, but we're watching them run the marathon. It's a gorgeous day. Want to check in.
This is fantastic.
Weather couldn't be more perfect.
I have a great run to do, but with this weather,
Joy's starting to feel a lot better on the organics, and so am I.
I felt way better. No more junk food.
No more junk food. Well, the trusty old ninja, I made myself some chicken. I put some onions on top, and they got a little fried, but I think they're pretty good. And underneath here, I just put some whole clove garlic. So you can see that's really like mushy, and it's ready to go. And it's very, 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 very delicious. Joy's laughing over there because she knows it is. And then here's the onion that I put underneath the foil so that it didn't burn. See, these ones burned over here. Got crispy. These ones stay nice and soft. So, that's gonna be dinner time. Thank you. Thank you. I did the cooking tonight, Joy. Joy's kind of watched. I made a mess though.